Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to again my YouTube channel friends. So viewers, I hope you are also fine and I hope you are too good. First of all friends, crochet table runners and decorative piece crafted by interlacing here or thread with a hook to care and intricate pattern and texture. They are typically long and narrow, designs to be placed down the center of a table, adding a touch of elegance and visual interest. These runners can be made from various materials like cotton, lines, or even ceramic fibers, and come in a wide array of cool or pattern and sized hairs. More details look. Crochet table runners serve primarily as decorative assets, enhancing the overall of a table setting. In some cases, they can also offer a level of protection against secreting spills and heat, especially when placed under placements or dishes. So viewers, enjoy these videos and enjoy my videos friends, and so beautiful designs viewers. Please like my all videos and subscribe my channel and keep watching these videos friends, and out of the stylish videos viewers and new best ideas and new colors in viewers. So like कीजिएगा and beautiful ideas is viewers and इनके खूबसूरत से ideas is viewers and इनके beautiful ideas is and इनके different style and new best ideas is crochet table runners, new designs and new place, beautiful style and beautiful ideas is viewers. So like these videos, like these all videos, and subscribe my channels and keep watching these videos and subscribe my channel and keep watching these videos friends, and out of these stylish videos and new best ideas. So please try कीजिएगा. So nice these videos and beautiful videos viewers and beautiful ideas and new collections, crochet table runners, nice these videos and beautiful and plays and new ideas is viewers. So please enjoy these. So friends, like my all videos and subscribe my channel and keep watching these videos friends. Piece crafted by interesting favorite look to an interactive pattern structure. They are typically long and are designs to be placed down the center of table, adding a touch of elegance and visual interest. These runners can be made from various materials like cotton, lines, or even fibers, and come in a wide array of cool hairs. More details look. Ancient decoration. Crochet table runners serve primarily as decorative essence, enhancing the overall assisting of table setting. In some cases, they can also offer a level of protection against heat, spills and heat, especially when placed under placement or dishes. crochet runners are often handmade, giving them a unique and personal touch. Variety of styles. They can be found in various styles from delicate and lace to more chintz and extra designs. Material options. Cotton is a popular choice for its durability and wearability, while lines and silk offer a more luxurious feels. Modern use. Tubeless caps, vegetable are a great addition to any table caps, whether for everyday meals or special occasions. Home decors, they can also be used as decorative throws or cheese sofas, even as wall hanging. Choosing lot vegetable runner size. Consider the size of your table and how much overhangs your preferred material. Choose the material that is crochet. Christmas table runner is any easy pattern that you can 60 lunch bow cotton crochet table runners, vintage figures, men's material made of cotton, handmade. This crochet Christmas table runner is an easy pattern that you can 60-inch bow cotton crochet table runner, vintage by women's materials made of cotton, handmade women's home decor. They can also be used as decorative drawers or benches, sofas, or even as wall hanging. If choosing a crochet table runner size, consider a table of size table and how much overhang your prefers. A pattern and size. Here more details look. Pension decoration crochet table runner serves primarily as decorative accessories, enhancing the overall aesthetic of a table setting. In some cases, they can also offer a level of protection against scratches, spills, and heat, especially when placed under placements or dishes. Crochet runners are often handmade, giving them a unique and personal touch. They can be found in various styles from delicate and lacy to more and texture designs. So viewers, so beautiful designs and different style and beautiful ideas is modern designs and laces. They can also be used as decorative straws on benches or walls or even as wall hanging. Choosing a crochet table runner size. Consider the size of your table and how much overhang you prefer. Crochet table runners are a great addition of special oscillation. Start from delicate and lacy to more. So beautiful style and new designs and new colors and the unique ideas is we were crochet table runners and new ideas is and gorgeous ideas and optimus ideas is and new ideas is and different style and new ideas is and new style and unique ideas levers and beautiful ideas and new designs and new style and new ideas is so unique designs and beautiful ideas is and खूबसूरत ideas is viewers. So new style and इनके beautiful fashion style crochet table runner and handmade and tables set designs and new best designs and new colors and ideas weavers and new style and new design and new ideas is viewers and beautiful style and unique designs table crochet runner and new best design beautiful ideas and new beautiful style weaver. So try these videos and try this